Shakas. Aloha, crafty friends. Welcome back. It's Maka with Makaz Home. I'm so happy to be here today. I stopped at my post office box yesterday on my way home from work and was so happy to see this peeking through the little hole. And I received some happy mail, and you know, happy mail is just so happy. This is from Dolly, Crafty Mermaid Mom. Thank you, girl. How are you doing? This is so wonderful. I so appreciate it. So I did cut the side for easier access on the video. So let's see what she sent. She's so beautiful that she sent this. Happy belated birthday. Oh my gosh, girl. Thank you so much. You sure didn't have to. It says, find a beautiful place and get lost. Yeah, I want to do that sometimes. It says, happy belated birthday. I hope you like the MD card and goodies. Oh, girl, I love memory decks cards. I'm so excited to see yours. Happy birthday. No, hope your birthday was a blast. It was. Thank you so much, Dolly. I so appreciate it. I will leave Dolly's link in the description below. She's Crafty Mermaid Mom here on YouTube. So let's see. Oh my goodness. Look at how beautiful. And she's got a little stamp here that says, can you see it? Made by Crafty Mermaid Mom. And she has a, I think that's a hibiscus, yeah? So cute. Okay. Sorry for the crinkling and if there's a glare. This looks like a double, like, I don't know, double? No. Oh, there's tricks to this. Oh, I like this. Look at it. It's like pocket envelopes. Or pockets. Ah, this is beautiful. Okay, so I think, whatever. I don't know where's the front. Oh, this is pretty. She probably has a tutorial on her YouTube. Like I said, I link in the description below, and go show her some love. Look at how beautiful. So she has this little envelope that she's made, I'm sure of it. And oh, some scented stickers. Oh, thank you so much. I can use these for next year, but actually hearts, they go all year. So, and there's cupcakes that I could use for birthdays. Thank you. Thank you, girl. Okay, let's see. This is so beautiful. Then the next pocket, she has this glassine bag. I like glassine bags. Or envelope. Glassine envelope. Oh. Okay. Well, didn't want to rip it, but look at all these die cuts she's included. Cutouts, die cuts, cutouts. Oh, and the cactus. I live in the desert in Arizona, so I do use a lot of cactus stuff. Look at this cute little mermaid. Ooh, and she gifted me some enamel dots. YNS Gumdrop Self-Adhesive Enamel Dots. Your next stamp company. Never heard of them. I'll have to check them out. Thank you. Feeding my addiction, huh? Oh, here's her memory decks card. Look at how beautiful. It says hello, and she has a pineapple cut out, and she has it puffed up. And she included some rhinestones here. She's backed it on a banner paper and a little doily here and some rickrack, glittered rickrack on this heavy chipboard. Oh, this is so beautiful. Hopefully. Oh, I want to thank all my new subbies for coming by and joining our little ohana too. I appreciate you. And let's see, she probably has information here. Hold on. And it's cute because she did it on this, look at this little index card. Not index, like library card, yeah? Kind of. Oh, here you are. Hello! But she is Crafty Mermaid Mom, as you saw. Her name is Dolly. She loves coastal, shabby chic, and girly themes, and her favorite colors are blues and pinks. Girl, when is your birthday? I want to know when your birthday is. So if you watch my videos, can you leave me your birthday below or email me your birthday? I appreciate it. Oh, thank you, Dolly. Thank you so much. Look, she's even included these stickers. They're like pop bottles, or you can do wine. And they have texture on them, and wow, cool. Thank you so much, Dolly. Thank you, everybody, for joining me here today. Hope you guys are having a crafty week, and shock us to the next video. Like and subscribe below. Thank you.